Okay. After this, we can do work on lower back again. Gentle pressing and smashing. And push out, push up, straight. Like a cat, we go up and back. On our side. And second movement is from side by snake. Еще ножки и грудная клетка. Но я им сегодня это отправлю. So we are movement like a snake from central to side to central to side with pressure, with weight. And stay on shoulder. And pressing here. And go down by cycle. So when you found the muscles too stiff, by like strong or some block, you will work later. First it's warming, after it's more deeper, as the legs. And each movement, please repeat 2, 3, 5 times. And shake. So we can mix with movement many times. Do slide to left, slide to up, right, slide to shoulder, slide to another shoulder. And also you can choose pressure. You can do gently, slowly, or faster. But ask person what is more comfortable, what is good, because not everyone likes super pressure for fast. It depends for physically. And the last it's the shoulders, where bone here. We do this part of include spine and keep 5, 10, 15 minutes for this, because it's very special part where we keep control, where we keep a lot of emotions, and it is anahata. If you, for example, hold your arms some minutes on this chakra, it will be, and keep pure, clean channels, you will charge person. also. It's very, very good. So here we use both arms and do circle from shoulder to opposite, like this, to both sides. And do biggest amplitude. Bit of press to shoulders. And one by one changing. We press to bone. Slide and finish. After this we will do rolling like this, but on skin. Or we can change, one hand will do this and another hand will do slide, or two slides, it can be anything. Or we can change, one hand will do this and another hand will do slide, or two slides, it can be anything. And fix bone and do circle, relax these muscles and touch the side and another side. And breathe. So, and after this we can use more slim part, we can use fingers, we can use wood. And do same movement on the spine, on the around bone. And in the shoulder. Please turn. And when person turn head, we support shoulders, be relaxed, and we do circle to this side. Press and do circle. And when it's changing, it's better to change it every 15-20 minutes. And while you do session, shoulders become more flexy. And here we press shoulder muscles like this, we stretch out. Это я тебе тут что-то начала делать. Что-то такого не было движения у меня вот по этому.
Ну, очень хорошая.
Тихо, лучше. Рождается интуитивная категория движения. And change position your arms to shoulder and slide from shoulder muscles to arms. Follow the muscles, follow energy. And go down and up. And the shoulder you also can do more opening shoulder bone and stretch it from down from this side and stretch. And move this bone, it's okay. And same movement to another side. So how we can work also with this side, with muscles, what can be active. We take arms, rolling and stretching, and this time these muscles, this side, it's more opening, and we can do massage. So under this position we can do really very nice movement to these muscles that hold our spine, that is a core, and we can stretch arms or just hold it, but it automatically help to us go work deeper here. And just sliding with pressure, slide and pressure, slide and pressure. Also we can do metal smashing, it's very very good. And shaking and stretch arms. And after this we will turn person around and we'll do work to front side. Or if you feel it's okay, you can see last video about neck, shoulders, finish this and finish session. The first finish movement is super gentle, super light, like fever. And cover spine because it's warming and we need be careful for muscles. Take care.